Hey, psst, come closer. Not only do you want to watch this video to improve your English, but you also want to press like and subscribe. What does this sentence mean? Stay tuned to find out. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. My name's Teacher Matthew, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to use the sentence structure not only, but also. Why should we use this sentence? Well, let's find out. Well, the first reason is to impress someone. You can really be impressive. You can impress your family members, your friends, or even your language instructors. For example, hey Jeffrey, not only are you a friendly cat, but you are also a handsome one. You see, he's really impressed. You can also use this sentence to add emphasis to what you say. What is emphasis? Well, basically, it makes your sentence sound much more stronger and meaningful than what it really is. So what is the structure of this sentence? Well, basically, we start off with not only, and then in the first clause, we have an inversion. That's where the verb and the subject switch position, okay? But after the not only, we need what's called an auxiliary verb. So it could be the be verb, animes are, or do, did, does, for example. Then the subject and the rest of the sentence, okay? So for example, not only do, that's the auxiliary verb, I like cookies, okay? Not only do I like cookies. And then after that, we have but also. And then the second part, this is the additional part, okay? These are similar things because remember, this sentence is basically like saying I like this and that. So not only do I like cookies, but, and then after the but we can put the subject, but I also like donuts, okay? Here, this part of the sentence here after the but is not inverted. It's just a normal average kind of sentence because the first part is inverted, which adds to the emphasis as well as the not only. Not only do I like cookies, but I also like donuts. Now make your sentence in the comments below, and here are some other examples. Not only is the weather very warm, but also the sky is very blue. Not only is the bin full, but it's also very smelly. Not only is Jeffrey a friendly cat, but he is also very handsome. Not only is Paddington a bear, but he also acts like a human. Now, if you really want to take your English to the next level and improve it and become a better speaker, watch this video here.